So this whole Vegas versus Spice and the Blue Nation, what the fuck a take place? Recently, YouTube, Vegas out for Spice. What's that this controversy? And also, him never left out. You know, we say pretty Dan, him say ugly Dan. And also the besties. Nightly besties. So, people, it's safe to say, Vegas is on a spree right now to expose Spice and show you say Spice a cheat music. And them a tell people say Spice, not that as talented as what you would think it really is. You see it? Now people drop it in the comment section. Keep it 1,000 with yourself. If Vegas a keep it truthful, or him just a go after Spice. At the current moment, I want to know if you subscribe and turn up the notification. Make sure so you smash a like. I saw Jamaica this. Roll up a spliff. I hit that. It's shot.
Must be afraid of uno when people can't put forward their independent thoughts. You understand the message? So here, blue here, citizen. How can an album chart number two? We're gonna address this. How can an album chart number two on the USA all genres and still number one in Jamaica and reporting this to the public? That's what I'm writing now. So the man supposed to just accept say this project went number two on the all genres chart. So him not to say nothing went in here. Him no hear the animal them on the farm. He must just pretend say he did not hear hee haw like Caesar, like hee haw. He must pretend say that never exists.
How will the bomb backlash I go on yes or no, Brethren? Like for real? Old McDonald? Judgment. Yo, me not listen to the album yet. You know. Me not get a listen for the album yet, but no. This is interesting. Is there anything left for Vegas expose before the album start? As a matter of fact, the album should have be trending by now for all of these things. Ah, da. It not normal. When you listen to Spice album, drop it in the comment section if you want to listen to Spice album. If it's tough, let me know. You see me? Yeah. I don't know, say we not nothing getting Spice over here saying, big up yourself in a moment. Yeah, man. You see what going on right now? Spice. Mr. Vegas, take it personal when you say him not do nothing in a reggae music. Mr. Vegas, take it personal. Right now, remember me tell you, you never hear Vegas talk about Bounty Killer. You understand me? And normally you know say man killer no good none at all. So it's interesting to see him point all I'm in attention over Spice side and that mean to say the man take the thing to heart, virgin. Spice, what make you try to tear down Vegas so you know say Vegas I go take it to heart. That day people no think Vegas I take the thing too personal. Or Spice need to put some respect on Vegas name. Cause Spice I say she have more hits than Vegas basically where she has say she have more hit songs where go number one on the charts than Vegas. Right? So Mr. Vegas forward and straighten out the thing and show him thing. You see it him bring him receipt and thing like that. So I never know say this thing still did a carry on, you understand? So basically what Vegas I say right now say them are try to manipulate the system, right? By buying these packages. Yes, people. Streaming service sell packages. And if you want 50K view in a 2 hour, it can happen. You want a million view by tomorrow, if possible. Just make sure say yeah that work. You see it? And that's how them bring music on to right now. So all of youth we have all them real talent and invest in time and in money in him skill and him put out him thing and just to see him get 50 to 100 views, which is real views, and you go see an artist just yeah, say your song sound all better than this. How this gone all 10,000 views in a half hour. I say, what go on? And when you look next month, it's stuck at 10,000. You don't know, see a manipulation go on there. So, you see me? Them dipping at the engine box, man, and make things start move. And then once the car can keep up with that thing, the traffic will stop and the motion stop. But if you weak into yourself now and just watch people things, that's why you can't watch what your next man are doing. You know? Because you go watch what your next man a do and a tarnish your own self because you go start saying not good enough. When you're more than half it, you just have to believe in yourself. You see me? Because end of the day is your channel monetized and you get 10,000 real views, you get paid for it. The man will pay for him 10,000 views to a million. Him have to recoup back that what him just spent. So why censor that? You know what I'm saying? So Vegas I say, in a them time there, them press up them records and them sell it. Them have a personal connection with the fans. You understand? It's not like now where everything does digital and you don't necessarily can't even pinpoint one of your fans. Back then days there, you sign autograph and things like that on your CDs and you record them. People have them thing the way them keep for souvenir and people want to see how they show for sign these things. As well as merchandise and them thing the way people cherish. For a lot of artists, you know, see, not they not even have merchandise. They not have a lot of things going like oh it's supposed to be. It's just music on the internet. It's very weird. You know what I mean? So music not the place where it used to be. Time change, you understand? But when Vegas really I say with time change, it not necessarily mean say them a outdo the artists them whenever they a stream per se those days. Cause those artists actually was moving legit units under the scanner, barcode a scan right through. You understand? So when Mr. Vegas I say, if I did 10 album sell, a 10 real album sell, and you have proof that them 10 album they move off a shelf. You understand? But with the internet, you can tell all 20 of your friends them stuff you go download their thing. And I just saw it go enough song on the sip on the charts whenever even if you did it. Our friends make you reach up there. You understand? You know have nothing to do with the music industry. So you know have to know these things. Say and everything we wanna see out there are where you think it is. You see it? Yeah. So nowadays artists, is it that them affect them career and majority of who we see lifestyle where them a project them not really a live that way they are them is not the type of caliber artist where them a try to put out themselves as. You understand? We don't know. Wanna drop it in the comment section, drop on an honest tag. We wanna think about this new generation of artists. Cause big them up, you know, them and them a do them thing, you know. You see me? And enough of them youth here too. Sure, the man them would have been called OGs in the music. Or ownership thing go from a young stage. Enough the worst thing when me hear a artist, a OG artist we might say, complain say him not get nothing from him music. I want wicked something. Them a youth nowadays mostly, most of them, majority of them own them things. You understand? So a different era we know. You know? Although enough of them still not own them things, but most of them right now own them things. So and like before, you them own them masters, you know? And them a create them own label and things. So them a strengthen them things. So every man have to just build them own fan base. And no say I hit that brother. Stop what the next man I do. You understand? Cause if Vegas go take it personal what they when Spice go make our speech for the fix. I know all the fix. Look like them sure if you go get fixed after Vegas deal with them like this, my G. You understand? So, I one of them things still and the media must can speak on anything we out there in the public, you know. Cause that's a media file, you know. You understand? Cause in the day, them say any publicity or publicity, no matter if a good or bad, they still a get the name out there. You understand? And everybody go by that door. But that's the thing is. But the hard thing, people. What go on with the old McDonald part, this Spice album? That really depends if it's true or just Vegas just a fuck around. We shall find out. No, Mr. Vegas have a speech from one to for a year and want to drop on an honest opinion upon this. Cause the man have him right to speak or him feel cause him is a big part of the music industry in Jamaica. Whether you want to accept it or not. So this is what Mr. Vegas have to say and look forward to what I say.
So we don't have to involve me in the cheating. Just let me just do my work. Let me just do my work. Me and the people who decide say we are gonna just work hard for grades. For grades, you know. We are work hard, we are putting in the work because we want when we leave school, you know, we can at least, you know, be articulate or can do the jobs that we left school to, you know, we major in. You see what I say? So we decide to want to do the work the real way. People like Itana and them sister they when decide say yo, they put out an album, them know so them do it the traditional way of putting out the album and you the fans say because something from we to you. You understand what I say? So even if 5 copies, sell, we still feel like yo, we reach 5 people where wanted the album. We feel like say yo, when we put the album forward, it's something from me to you. It's supposed to be something where you can feel, something where connect with me and you. You understand what I say as fans. And we put it out and we say, all right, the album here, me do my best. Me I go submit it to the professor, submit it, will have been all the Grammys, submit it to the different bodies them. So you know, say yeah, when the time comes for people to evaluate our people to listen to the album, they will decide on merit if this album is worthy. And so we decide that we want to do it enough. But we realize that uno, I get help from the professors. We realize that uno a copy. We realize that uno a cheat.
No, that rough. No say the game no fair still, but no people. Talk about game. What they may I see a thing and them I say the basketball game. Say the man them have magnet and all these special effect things will make a can't miss it. So it's a cheating world. You understand? Somebody girl a cheat right now. People, when you really think Spice a cheat, and not only Spice alone still, but wow. Look what this way Vegas I say.
And then you come and beat up on the chest at the front of the class and go on like we are idiot. Like say we're in on this thing, like we. Remember say that tournament this you. When you do an album, you're hoping that the Grammy is going to select the album or you're going to win the Grammy. So it's like a tournament, a basketball tournament. Anybody who take steroids cannot stay in the league. Anybody who take enhanced drugs cannot stay in the league. Your boots up. And we know that you're taking steroids. Like,
So to the independent artist them, a musician pan a whole, this will open up your ears and your eyes and make you know say you're great. Work hard, keep on, consistent, do what you do, and you will see the light. You see me? You have to set your goals and your dreams and believe in a manifestation and manifest that. You see me? Nobody look upon yourself and not tell yourself, say, a next man greater than you. You have to feel yourself. You understand? Now make sure so you subscribe, you know. Smash your like and join the family, you know. So Jamaica.